Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my video lectures on signals and systems. Today topic is what is known as transfer function, also known as system function. If you remember, you had this transfer function in the case of Laplace transforms also. In the case of Laplace transform, the transfer function was defined as the ratio of transformed output to transformed input neglecting initial conditions. So same definition applies here also. Now this is an LTI system with xn as input and yn as output. Yn as output. Now we know from convolution chapter, convolution integrals, what is y of n? Y of n is equal to x of n convolving with what is known as impulse response. What is known as impulse response. Now if you take Z transform on both sides, if you taking Z transform, we get y of z equal to, we know that the Z transform of convolution is nothing but the product of individual Z transforms, that is x of z, h of z, x of z, h of z. Now this h of z is what is called as transfer function. Transfer function. Transfer function. So what is transfer function? The transfer function is the ratio of z transform of the output to z transform of the input. This is what is called as h of z, also known as transfer function. Transfer function. Now if you take impulse function, x of n equal to delta of n, then what is x of z? X of z is 1. Therefore the transfer function hz is also known as impulse response. Impulse response. You can get impulse response by taking z transform of hz. So on taking inverse z transform on h of z, we get what is known as impulse. Now this is what is known as transfer function. In the next class, I will work out the problems on transfer function. Thank you.